Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a world of creativity and exploration. Today, we embark on a journey of self-discovery through the magical art of nature journaling. This beautiful practice allows us to capture memories and observations while immersing ourselves in the breathtaking beauty of the wilderness. Nature journaling offers a myriad of benefits that go far beyond the pages of our journals. It enhances our powers of observation, inviting us to closely examine the intricate details of the natural world. Through keen observation, we cultivate a deeper connection with nature and develop a profound appreciation for its wonders. Not only does nature journaling spark our creativity, but it also becomes a personal gallery of our experiences. As we sketch, write, and doodle, our journals become vibrant reflections of our individual perspectives and artistic flair. With each stroke of the pen and splash of color, we bring the ever-changing seasons to life on the pages of our journals. From the vibrant blooms of spring to the fiery foliage of autumn, our journals become time capsules that capture the exquisite tapestry of nature. But nature journaling is more than visual art, it engages all our senses. We can record the gentle rustling of leaves, the fragrance of wildflowers in the air, and the sensation of cool grass beneath our fingertips. Our journals become portals that transport us back to those sensory moments. By documenting the flora and fauna we encounter, nature journaling transforms us into scientists. We can study the delicate patterns of leaves, sketch the intricate petals of flowers, and observe the fascinating behaviors of animals. Our journals become scientific records, deepening our understanding of the natural world. Beyond the realm of science, nature journaling is a wellspring of inspiration. As we flip through the pages of our journals, we revisit past adventures and draw upon our experiences to fuel our future explorations. The memories we capture become seeds that sprout into new ideas and ventures. Moreover, nature journaling serves as a powerful tool for mindfulness. When we immerse ourselves in the act of journaling, we enter a state of complete presence and attention to the sights, sounds, and sensations around us. It is a practice that brings us peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of everyday life. Our journals become storytellers, weaving narratives of our outdoor escapades. Each entry tells a tale of exploration and adventure, painting vivid pictures of hiking trails, camping trips, and encounters with wildlife. And as we share our stories, we inspire others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. Beyond personal storytelling, nature journaling becomes a platform for environmental advocacy. By documenting the natural world and its fragile ecosystems, we raise awareness about the importance of conservation and inspire others to protect and preserve our planet. But perhaps most importantly, nature journaling nurtures our mental well-being. It is a therapeutic practice that allows us to escape the stresses of everyday life and find solace in the beauty and tranquility of nature. When we sit down with our journals, we enter a state of flow, a state of complete immersion and focus that brings a sense of fulfillment and inner calm. Nature journaling provides a sanctuary where we can recharge and rejuvenate our minds, bodies, and spirits. Through the act of journaling, we develop a stronger sense of place. We become intimately acquainted with the landscapes we explore, learning about the unique flora and fauna that inhabit them. Our journals become a record of our personal connections to the natural world. Nature journaling also cultivates gratitude within us. As we document the wonders of nature, we develop a deep appreciation for the simple joys and marvels that surround us. Our journals become gratitude journals, reminding us of the abundant beauty that exists in our lives. In the embrace of nature journaling, we find ourselves on a journey of self-discovery, creativity, mindfulness, and environmental stewardship. So, grab your journal, your favorite pens, and immerse yourself in the captivating world of nature journaling. And remember, for a quality journaling experience, be sure to check out our recommended products in the shop. Happy journaling, fellow adventurers!